welcome back to my channel. You're watching Pink Beauty and I'm Shalini. And today we are going to make a weight loss fruit parfait. Can you tell me which is the biggest hurdle in weight loss? Cravings. That's the biggest hurdle in weight loss. We all crave to eat different things. Junk food, ice cream, and God knows what not. So what normally happens is that people go for a crash diet or they go for like weird diets. They are dieting for about 6 days, and the 7th day they're crying in bed, sitting with a headache, mood swings, and all they wish for is to order a big pizza or a tub of ice cream. And that is the fate of crash diets, weird diets, not eating what you feel like, not listening to your body. So the question is, how does one lose weight? And the answer to that is by listening to your body, substituting junk food with delicious, healthy food, such that you don't crave to eat the junk food. And I'll tell you how I do it. Whenever I feel like having a dessert or an ice cream or something sweet, I quickly whip myself a nice yogurt fruit parfait and I'm all set. Hence, I thought of sharing my favorite dish with you. And parfait means perfect in France. And this dish originated in France. And originally it was made by using eggs, cream and sugar syrup by boiling these 3 ingredients to make a custard-like puree. And then it was layered in parfait glasses with fruits and granola. So I like to make it by layering it with yogurt and fruits. And it's totally yummy. Point to remember here is portion control. You cannot be smashing glasses and glasses of fruit parfait and then coming and telling me, oh my god, I put on weight. So if you don't control your portions, then it will not be a weight loss fruit parfait, it will be a weight gain fruit parfait. So make sure you're controlling your portions and not adding extra sugar and using granola that is loaded with sugar. So if you want to see how I make my delicious yogurt granola fruit parfait, keep watching till the end. And also, if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, do consider subscribing because I have lots and lots of exciting content coming up. To a perfect parfait is layering. The better you layer, the better the parfait is. And I'm going to start off by layering my parfait glass with some Greek yogurt. And today the Greek yogurt that I'm using is made by me. It's a little lengthy procedure, but if you make a batch, that's going to last you for a week, so it's pretty cool. In case you want to know the recipe for making Greek yogurt at home, do comment. I might share the recipe soon with you guys. So for now, if you don't have Greek yogurt prepared at home, you can also go in for branded yogurt, a store-bought yogurt. The only thing that you need to ensure is that it should be a natural, unflavored yogurt. Please don't go in for a flavored yogurt. And now I'm going to start by piling on my fruits, starting with mangoes. And now I'm going to add some crunch and fiber to it. That is a granola. Well, you can again use any brand of granola that you like. Just make sure that it's not loaded with lots of sugar. The brand that I'm using today is Soulful Delicious Millets. And let's top this yumminess with crunchy, delicious cashew nuts. And these are my cashew nuts. And now the topmost layer of cherries. Ta-da! Oh my god, it looks super delicious. This is it. So this is it. It's so simple, and honestly telling you, I'm a very lazy person. I don't like to spend too much time in the kitchen. I don't like to do tedious jobs. This is something which is super easy and it doesn't take much of time. At the same time, it's delicious. So guys, don't forget to leave a comment and let me know how you like my video, and would you like me to film some more easy recipes like this or not. So now I'm gonna go and enjoy my fruit parfait. I'm gonna sit by the window. As you can see, it's a beautiful day. It's raining, and my fruit parfait is also done. So I'm gonna sit by the window, enjoy the rains, have my fruit parfait, and you guys go and try it out. You are going to see me very soon in my next video. Till then, lots of love.